1. Natural skin cleanser.
Gram flour. Mix gram flour with yogurt or raw milk, making a smooth paste. Apply on your face. Keep for a few minutes and then wash. It works as a cleanser to exfoliates dead skin very gently, which also works to reduce fine hairs on the face, and it's a good detanner. So, it deeply cleanses and brightens your skin.
2. Natural face scrub.
Tomato with sugar. Tomato helps in soothing the skin and even has anti-aging properties. Just cut a tomato in half and spread a teaspoon of sugar on it. Now gently scrub it all over your face. Make sure you do it gently, as harsh sugar can scratch your skin. This may make skin dry. So, after scrubbing, apply aloe vera or moisturizer on skin.
3. Natural face massager.
Milk and honey. You can make this mask by mixing equal parts of honey and milk together. Then apply this mask to your face. Milk helps unclog pores and prevent acne breakouts, while milk is great for toning and soothing the skin. It promotes collagen production that keeps the skin firm and smooth and help your skin look youthful and healthy.
4. Natural skin toner.
Green tea. Apply green tea toner generously on your face with a cotton ball, or spritz it on. Let the toner dry on your face, don't rinse off. It can be applied anytime on a cleansed face. It fights pimples, helps in removing dark spots, giving you fair and healthy skin.
5. Natural skin moisturizer.
Aloe vera with raw milk. Mix aloe vera and raw milk to make yourself a skin-lightening face pack. To do so, mix equal amounts of aloe vera and milk till you get a fine paste. Then, you can apply the mask to your face. Apply it weekly, leaving it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. It helps to calming irritated skin and promoting an even skin tone.
Thank you for joining us.